Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the fall seeds in the New Grow a Garden Fall update. So if you go to the fall festival seeds here and talk, you can get turnip, parsley, myrlem is that how you pronounce it? Carnival pumpkin. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, that looks like an upside down burning bud. I do not know how to pronounce that. I'm so sorry. Canafia. Then golden peach, and then the translated is maple resin. I really want to get that one, but yeah, I do have to contribute to the fall bloom 17 times for it. So yeah, the cooldown's every 5 minutes, so I think it's doable. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.